Here I have POCO X4 GT, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on three lines here, go to its settings, and here you have volume buttons function. So you can set it to shutter, to timer, to zoom, or to volume. So let's set it to zoom and check how it works. Name. So let's switch to the front camera. And as you can see, zoom actually, like in the front camera it only works as the shutter, but in a normal rear camera you can use it as zoom. So let's zoom into this flower. Unbelievable, yeah? Wow, that's a nice zoom. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.